Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here and I'm a health coach. Today I would like to share with you all a story which I read and it touched my heart a lot. Let's start the story. The story goes like this. There was a girl. She was playing in the garden with her doll. And she was playing very merrily, happily because that was her favorite doll and she was very happy playing with it in when she was playing with the doll, the happiness on her face told the story of all that she was very happy playing with the doll. But what happened while playing in the garden, she lost her doll, and that made her sad. The girl became very sad and she started crying heavily, so much so that listening to her cry, a man who was in the garden, same place, came to her and asked her, "What happened, darling?" And she said, "I lost my favorite doll. I couldn't find it." So man said, "Okay, let's do one thing. Let's find it together." And then the man started searching with her. He also couldn't find the doll. And then he said, "I think we should do it again tomorrow, and I'm sure you'll get your doll. I'm sure your doll also will be wanting to be with you, so we will definitely get your doll. So tomorrow we'll find it again." Convinced, the girl stopped crying and finding that somebody else also could really be with her in this made her feel better, and she went home. Next day, the small girl came again, and this time the man with him had a letter which he gave to the girl and said, "Read, this is from your doll." The small girl opened the letter and read. It had, in the letter, it was written, "I am going to a world tour and I will write about my adventure to you from there. Till then, see, don't miss me, I'll be always there with you." So the girl felt happy that though little sad that the doll is not with her, she felt happy for the doll that yeah, now she will write me a letter, and I can read and see her adventure during her world tour. And so the girl, though sad, was a little happy for the doll, and then that's how she could really be with the happiness, and the man also felt good. Next day, the man came with another letter with the adventure of the doll doing the world tour, the places she's seeing. This way it continued for some days, and one fine day, the man came with another doll instead of the letter, telling her that this is your doll. The small girl looked at the doll. The doll was not the same. Her favorite doll was different. But the doll also had a letter with it, in which it read that the touring and the adventure around the world and the happiness had changed me. I am a different person now. Convinced, the small girl felt very happy for the doll and she happily took the doll and she started playing again. She could love the doll the same way she used to love to her older doll. This story tells us one thing: everything we love eventually might get lost one day, but you will find the love in some other form. You may not get the love in the same form, but you may get the love in another form, in another way, and you will be an evolved person to take it in that form. Every situation, everything that happens in your life always grows you into a different and evolved person, and you are given the best ahead. People who go through struggle in their life are eventually growing into the best self, and they definitely get love in a better, higher form. So, don't be heartbroken if you lose something someday, somewhere. You will get love in some other form. In fact, you can be like that man, giving a love to somebody in the form you want to receive. And you will see that that brings you a great solace to your heart, a great peace, because you are functioning in your natural form of a loving being. You can be the love, you will receive the love. So, friends, anything, anywhere, anything that happens in your life, remember you will receive love in different form because you deserve it and you're blessed one. Saying so, thank you for listening to my stories. I really want to make a YouTube channel with this kind of stories so that y'all could get the lesson, or y'all could really understand the true nature of us, and we can tune into our true nature and be a loving being. Saying so, thank you for listening to me. Stay tuned. Do like, subscribe, and comment in this comment section if you want to hear some more things. See ya. Thank you.